Good morning, everyone. How are you? Okay, me too. Fine, thank you. Did you play the game inside your home or indoor game? Like, yeah, like chess, volleyball. Sorry, volleyball is not indoor game. Okay, chess, Ludo, video game, etc. are the example of indoor game which can be played inside your room, which is very safety during this pandemic. Okay. Be ready for your attendance. Roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 4, roll number 5. Okay, students. Today I am going to teach you the difference between communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Please read the definition of communicable disease and non-communicable disease from your text. Good. Okay, please write down the definition of communicable and non-communicable disease. Communicable diseases are those diseases diseases, which can be transferred from one individual to another. Typically, it is caused by pathogens pathogens such as virus, bacteria. For example, diseases such as AIDS AIDS in all letter must be in capital, malaria, all letter must be in small, dengue, dengue, etc. Full stop. On the other hand, non-communicable diseases are the diseases which are not transmitted from one to another persons. Full stop. These are typically some of the allergies allergies, nutrient nutrient deficiencies deficiencies, etc. Now let's talk about difference between them. From definition, you are clear that diseases spread from one person to another person is communicable diseases, while diseases not spread from one person to another person is non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are transmitted by bacteria, virus, etc., while non-communicable diseases are not transmitted from one agent to another agent, like in communicable diseases. Hmm. The agent, can you tell me the agent of communicable diseases? Please raise your hand if you know the agent. Okay, good, impressive. Virus and bacteria are the agent for communicable diseases, while there is no agent for non-communicable diseases. Actually, communicable diseases cannot be transmitted from one generation to another generation. For example, if our parent may have some sort of communicable diseases, then they are not transmitted genetically to us, although they are transmitted from one medium to another medium. While um, non-communicable disease can be inherited from one generation to another generation. For example, if our parent may have problem of diabetes, then that can be transmitted, or that may be transmitted to us. Example of communicable diseases are AIDS, typhoid, tuberculosis, malaria, cholera, etc. The example of non-communicable diseases are allergies, heart diseases, diabetes. Okay, student, write down the example of communicable diseases in your copy. Similarly, write down the non-communicable name of non-communicable diseases in your copy. Good one. Be aware while you are writing in your copy. Okay, this is all about it. Now I am going to give you some home assignment, which includes write down the definition of communicable diseases and read it aloud. Write down the difference in your copy with by discussion with your parents as well as with your friends by maintaining social distance in your copy and read it aloud. Okay, this is the end of the topic. Okay, bye, stay safe.